Okay, so welcome to the video in Shanghai. This came from a transfer here from the west part of China, Xinjiang, flying over really beautiful landscape. Even managed to get in some Xi'an food on the way, as you can see here. Today we're exploring a bit here in Shanghai at the M50 art area. Really nice. We'll see what's gonna happen. Gonna have some very nice dinner as well tonight. So I'm just gonna randomly take you around, I think today and tomorrow, see what happens. Just been great to be back in Shanghai. I used to live here 4 years, so a lot of fun things to see. So we'll see you a bit later. Actually, just walked by this place here, Lancer. I used to make some clothes here on this tailor when I lived in Shanghai. Let's go and check out and see if he's still in there. Very interesting. Brings back some cool memories here. This is the nice part when I live here in China and Asia. You can actually make some clothes very hot and humid here in Shanghai, much warmer than in Xinjiang and Beijing where I live. So if you need to dress up formally, which I sometimes do, it's very nice if you can do this. Even, you know, the material can be not too expensive. It's actually a good investment, so really nice. But yeah, let's continue outside and actually check out the art stuff. It's really cool when you're walking around and you see this kind of old chimney in the background. You have a lot of artsy stuff going on in the background here. You have a lot of kind of wall murals here, as you can see here. Really cool. And then you also have very dynamic here with this like wall paintings all the way here. And nice, you can sit down just to relax. And also have this very nice tiles and like bamboo framing everything. Really relaxing to just sit down here, enjoy. So just kind of walk around here a few hours, see. Maybe see you a bit later. Now I'm back here outside and the sun is setting, and I really love this vibe here in Shanghai. I have these old trees lining up all these areas in the former French concession, but also some other areas here. Super nice and very noisy with all these crickets I think in the background. Wow, really loud. It's gonna be very nice when the sun goes down. We'll see. I'm bringing guys along, but just wanted to show you a little bit of this really nice background. Yeah, so we just had a really fantastic dinner here at the Sichuan Citizen, but next we're gonna have some drinks, so we'll see what happens. Otherwise, see you tomorrow. Show you guys a bit about the background here in Shanghai. A lot of the nice nightlife. You can see a lot of people out in the streets. It's really nice, quite different than Beijing, that's for sure. Some of the old Shanghai used to enjoy when I was here. Almost forgot how it's like. Good to see everything's back after COVID and quarantined again. Better times ahead. Okay, so it's the morning after now. It wasn't too late yesterday, so it's pretty nice. I'm actually gonna out for a bit of a run here. We'll go on brunch. Really love Shanghai. There's all these alleys. But gonna get this morning steps in, go for a shower and then enjoy brunch. So see you there. Yes, I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this, but I figured I might give a bit of a comment here. It's the 31st of July now, so tomorrow August starts and it's my last day of vacation today actually. So it's gonna be going back into shape during August for my birthday on the 4th of September. Not sure what I post this, I have a lot of editing to do for my travels, but time to get back in shape. And I used to actually live 4 years here in Shanghai, go runnings in the morning, so brings back some good memories. Usually like 4 or 5 or 6 in the morning, not now in the afternoon, but or I mean it's morning now actually. But great to get those steps and cardio in, so yeah, just wanted to mention that. But now I'll see you guys later at brunch. I think something else that's really fantastic, actually biking here in Shanghai. On the way now to brunch, got in only like 2 kilometers around there, but super nice. Really reminds me of the old times. I was always biking a lot in the weekends in Shanghai, so we'll see here in the background what fantastic stuff also on offer in the brunch. Maybe then explore a little bit, then gonna go back to the airport in 6 hours, so we'll see
See you a bit later.
Nice, we just finished a super amazing brunch, as you can see here walking out in this place. Heads in the clouds, highly recommended if you're in Shanghai. Super cozy vibes, a lot of good beef and salmon and eggs and also some burrata, healthy stuff. So now we're gonna continue walking, see what's up next. Just get off here near Tianzifang in the old areas. You have all these nice trees. And you can see these big hotels and buildings in the background. Reminds me of my first weeks in Shanghai, like 2013, I think, when I was like just blown away by all these like sky rises, and you have all these local stuff going on in the background. Really, really nice. Gotta pass by kind of a hardware store and fix my hard drive here. Some issues, but we'll see. Hopefully I can see some more of this city before I go to the airport in a few hours. So walk around a bit and see you there. Okay, so finally time to go back to Beijing from Shanghai. It's been kind of a lot of travel lately here. First Hunan, and then just a 2-hour or 2-day break in between, and then this big Xinjiang trip, and then Shanghai in the end and go back. It's only been actually like 2 weeks, so actually 11 days off, but really nice and great to see that I can actually travel once again. So really looking forward to doing more on that. I'm not sure I'm gonna post this, probably gonna take a while to edit everything, but it's been really fun. Also, I didn't do so many tourist things here in Shanghai this time, but just good to meet up with a lot of people I know here, eating a lot of good food, brunch and things like that. But now I'm gonna just board my flights here in like 30 minutes, so I think I'm gonna end it here. And I guess next time I'll probably see you in Beijing. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, more travel, let me know if you have any comments or other questions. And if so, you want to see more, give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.